All right, hello, my wonderful students. Part 2 of Foldable number 7. So we have another OR inequality. We have our 2x is greater than 3 minus x, or 2x is less than x minus 3. So we're going to go ahead and start by working on this side here. So we're going to do our addition property by moving all the x's to one side. So I'm going to add x here. Add x here. That makes our 2 plus x equal a 3x. It's going to be greater than 3, and then negative x plus x sums to 0. So this is our addition property. Okay, and then we're going to go ahead and use our division property to divide both sides by 3 to get rid of the 3 that's multiplying the x. So this reduces to 1, or 1 times x is greater than 1. Once again, this was our division property. Okay, and now we're going to go ahead and go to the side here because this is already solved to the lowest inequality that we would need to graph. And similar to what we did over there, we're going to move all the x's to one side. So this time we're going to subtract x to both sides. This is our subtraction property. And we're left with just, my pencil go, there it is, x, because 2x minus 1x gives us just 1x, is less than x minus x sums to 0, so it's negative 3. Alright, cool. Now we have our two inequalities that we're going to graph. So go ahead and do our graph right about there. Line it up. Draw, sorry about that. Draw little arrows to show it goes to infinity. And we're going to go ahead and do this. So we'll graph this one in purple and this one in that blue color. So we have our first one, which is at 1, and then our second one, which is at negative 3, and then our 0 is about right there. Okay, so once again, we're going to graph our 1, so x is greater than 1, so we're going to draw an open circle here because it's not greater than or equal to, it's just greater than, and we're going to go ahead and graph this to the right since it's going to the greater than position, and x is increasing that way. And the next one here, we have our x is less than negative 3. So where else we're going to have an open circle because it's not less than or equal to, it's just less than. And we're going to shade to the bottom, or sorry, not to the bottom, to the left, because x is negative or decreasing going this way. And there you have it. That's our inequality. So I'm going to go ahead and graph this on our actual line in pink to show that this is increasing and this is decreasing on the same one. So once again, this is an OR inequality, which means that a solution makes either inequality true, but it only means one or the other, not both. I don't remember if I showed you this or not, so I'm just going to show you now. But if we do this here, flip it over, this is an OR compound inequality. It's either, and the top one was also an OR compound inequality either.